guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying out another Buzzfeed recipe. So this is called the Meat Lovers Roll, and I just saw this video and fell in love with it, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and try it out. So what you're going to do first is you're going to place one sandwich roll down, and you're going to take with a brush that egg, and you're going to do it on the side and put another sandwich roll on top of that. So you're going to do that so you have 4 across and 3 down. And then after that, you're going to take a rolling pin, like my handy dandy Duck Dynasty rolling pin, and roll it all out so it all becomes very sealed together. So from there, you spread the mayonnaise on it. I had to add a little bit of extra mayonnaise. That could also be just because I love mayonnaise, so it didn't seem like enough to me. And then you start arranging the things on it. So first starting with provolone, which it says to do it 1/4 of the way up the bread. I didn't understand what that meant until I rewatched the video. So I think that's a part of what went wrong. So then after the provolone, you are putting down the bologna, the ham, the capicola, the pepperoni, the salami, and then the pepperoncini. I probably should have mentioned you should have like a plastic wrap underneath all of this. Just saying, they say that too. So then you roll it, and I found that I had to roll it with the plastic wrap. It was really hard to roll. That is because I didn't place the things down properly. And quite frankly, I don't think that my bread was the best bread to do this. I think that I should have gotten bread that was a little less like holy, and like this is the bread I buy all the time, so I know that it kind of can have some holes in it. After you roll it, you wrap it with the plastic wrap and kind of like shake it out a little bit and then chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, you are putting it in the oven at 350 degrees. They said to line it with parchment paper. I think that's just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And in a small bowl, you're melting the butter. If you don't know how to melt butter, you do it for like a minute, stir it every 15 seconds so it doesn't explode. And you mix in the garlic powder and the Italian seasoning. So I just went ahead and put like the roll on the baking sheet, and they're saying that after, I don't know, they like describe it weird. Just put it on the baking sheet, okay guys? And so you brush the outside with that mixture that we just made with the butter, the garlic powder, and the Italian seasoning. You bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes until it is golden brown. After that, you let it sit for about 5 minutes before you cut it into thick slices. So you can see in comparison of mine to Buzzfeed's, mine did not roll and started to break apart, and theirs rolled a lot better. So I think in hindsight, my bologna, which I substituted for the mortadella, was too thick for one, and I didn't place it how I was supposed to for two. So I would like to see if I like change those things, if that would fix it, because quite frankly, it was delicious. It was actually really freaking good, and that mixture on the outside and the bread just made it like French bread, like French garlic bread, and it was delicious. So good. So I actually could have done without the mortadella in my opinion, and without the capicola, which maybe is the way to go. I mean, it is called a meat lovers, but I didn't really need those, and it made it more thick than what it should have been. So if I just took those out, I still think it would be just as great. So with that, do I think it was a success? No, because mine didn't work out like theirs. Could it have been user error? Yes. So like maybe it was my fault that it didn't work out, so I don't want to fault BuzzFeed for it. I really think it was probably just me not watching the video like I should have. Watch the whole video, guys. Other people liked it, but I was the one that ate it the most. I took it to a cookout, so I had to warm it back up because I made it the night before, and then by the time I got it warmed back up, everybody had already ate. But I liked it, so that's all that matters to me. So that is everything for this video. Comment down below BuzzFeed recipe videos that you would like for me to test out so you don't have to fail like I will fail probably another time. And make sure that you like this video so that I know that you enjoy these types of videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You can put it for all, you can put it for occasional, you can put it for never. I suggest the always. And if you don't have those notifications up, you are definitely not going to see my videos. So I'm posting, so make sure you know that I'm posting. Turn them on. Follow me on all of my social medias, and I started a blog, so that is linked down below as well, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!